everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead, hide or unhide comments on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the first step would be for you to simply access your particular Instagram app. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? So let's say you're gonna go to your profile icon below right corner, and you're gonna find your profile's information, including this post of yours. Go ahead, choose any random post of yours, and within the comment section you can find you do have comments, right? And within the comment you can see this option called reply and hide. If you tap on this hide option and then tap on this OK, now your comment is now hidden, right? Again, you're gonna go back, refresh once again your profile, again go to that particular post, go to comments, and now you'll find this kind of like notification kind. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on it, and now tap on this unhide option and tap on again confirm it, and now that option is just appear right there. That is the way you can go ahead and hide your comment and unhide it like that. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.